Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to work on identifying the main topic and retelling key details. So hopefully by the end of this video, you will be able to identify the main topic and retell the key details of a nonfiction text. Remember, a nonfiction text is a story that is true. So I want you to look at all of the pictures on the screen. What do these things have in common? They can all be found in the bathroom. So these items can be found in a bathroom. Similarly, key details are the pieces of information that we can find in a text that help to make or support the main idea. So we practice identifying the main topic and retelling key details because it helps us remember important information that we learn in the text and understand what the text is about. So the main topic is what the text is mostly about. It should be about 1 to 2 sentences long. The key details are the important pieces of information that you can find in the text or the pictures. They give you information that support the main topic, and you can use them to help identify the main topic. So to find the main topic, you look at the titles and pictures, you look for repeated words, you look at the first and the last sentences, and after you identify the main topic, you can check by asking yourself, was this what I learned after reading? Was this what the text was mostly about? So when identifying main topic and key details, it helps to find your key details first and then use the key details to help determine the main topic. So the main topic should be related to all of your key details. Let's look at these sentences first. So we are going to determine which sentences are key details and which sentence is the main topic, the main idea. So we are going to choral read these sentences, which means I read it, then you read it. And I'm going to point to these words as I read them. Ready? We're going to start with the one in the top left corner. My turn. Plants get energy from the sun to grow. Your turn. Plants get energy from the sun to grow. Now think about that. Do you think that that is a key detail or a topic? Well, let's read the other ones and then we'll go back to that. That way you can see what all the other sentences say. Ready, my turn. Plants get their food and energy from the soil. Your turn. Plants get their food and energy from the soil. Think about that. Do you think that's a main idea or a key detail? Once again, we'll go back to that one. My turn. Plants need air in order to live. Your turn. Plants need air in order to live. My turn. Plants need energy from food and water to live and grow. Your turn. Plants need energy from food and water to live and grow. My turn. The roots of plants take in water from the soil. Your turn. The roots of plants take in water from the soil. I want you to think about this for a minute. Okay, so the main idea is going to be that plants need energy from food and water to live and grow. So this is our main idea, and this is because all of these sentences are telling us where they get energy from, where the water comes from, why they need that energy, and why they need that water. So this is why this sentence is the main idea. So plants get energy from the sun to grow. That's a key detail. It's telling us where they get their energy. Plants get their energy, their food and energy from the soil. So once again, this is telling us how they get energy and how they get food. Plants need air in order to live. Well, this is a detail telling us how they live. What do they need in order so they can live? And this last one, the roots of plants take in water from the soil. So that's telling us how they drink their water. So all four of these are details for the main idea. Plants need energy from food and water to live and grow. Okay, so let's try another one. This time, I'm giving you 3 key details, and I want you to think about what the main topic could be, the main idea. Let's choral read this. We're going to start over at the left. Ready? My turn. Thick socks and good boots are good to wear in the winter. Your turn. Thick socks and good boots are good to wear in the winter. Okay, my turn. You can stay warm by wearing a thick jacket. Your turn. You can stay warm by wearing a thick jacket. My turn. If your hands are cold, you can use gloves to keep them warm. Your turn. If your hands are cold, you can use gloves to keep them warm. Okay, so all 3 of these sentences are talking about clothes you can wear when you're cold. So think about what is that main topic? So the main topic is that you can wear different kinds of clothes to help you stay warm in the winter. Okay, we are going to try something else. This time, you are going to get a paragraph. We're going to read that paragraph together and underline the key details. Let's start with the title. My turn. The many ways to eat apples. Your turn. The many ways to eat apples. Let's start at the first sentence. My turn. Apples can be eaten in many different and delicious ways. Your turn. Apples can be eaten in many different and delicious ways. Is that a key detail? No, that's not a key detail. Okay, next sentence. My turn. You can blend it and make applesauce. Your turn. You can blend it and make applesauce. Is that a key detail? Yes, it is. That tells us one way we can eat apples, just like the title says. My turn. If you bake it, you can make apple pie. My turn, or your turn. If you bake it, you can make apple pie. Is that a key detail? Yes, it is. So we're going to underline it. Ready? My turn. You could cut it up to make apple slices. Your turn. You could cut it up to make apple slices. Is that a key detail? Yes, it's a key detail, so we need to underline it. And the last sentence, my turn. No matter the way you make it, it is always a good treat to have. Your turn. No matter the way you make it, it is always a good treat to have. So think about, what could the main topic be? We underlined you can blend it and make applesauce. If you bake it, you can make apple pie. You can cut it up to make apple slices. Think about, what do those key details tell us? Well, it tells us the many ways to eat apples. So that means that our main topic, the main idea of this paragraph is that there's many different ways that you can eat an apple. Okay, so now guys, we are going to do a little quiz just to see what you remember. So, what is the main topic? Is it the opinion of an author? What the text is mostly about? Pieces of information in the pictures? Or an important fact? I'll give you a minute to think about that. So the main topic is what a text is mostly about. Okay, how long should the main topic usually be? 1 to 2 words? 5 to 6 sentences? 1 to 2 sentences? Or 2 to 3 words? It is 1 to 2 sentences long. Okay, where can you find a key detail? In the first and last sentences? On the front cover? In the title? Or in the text or pictures? That's a tricky one. The answer is in the text or pictures. Okay, Which of the following is not a strategy you could use to determine the main topic? Look at the pictures, look at the title, look at the author, look at the first and last sentences. Okay, guys, so looking at the pictures will help you. Looking at the title will help you. Looking at the first and last sentences will help you, but if you look at the author, it is not going to tell you the main idea. Let's look at this paragraph.
An elephant's trunk is a very useful body part. Elephants don't have hands, so they use their trunks to pick things up. If they need to eat, they will pick food up with their trunks. They also use their trunks to get water to spray on their bodies to clean themselves. They can also take care of their babies by using their trunks. Elephants can do many things with their trunks.
Okay, guys, so I want you to think about what is not a key detail. Okay, elephants use their trunk to pick things up. If they need to eat, elephants can do many things with their trunk. They can take care of their babies by using their trunk. So think about that. Which one is not a key detail? If they need to eat is not a key detail. It's not even a whole sentence. Okay, now think about what the main topic of this passage is. Would it be an elephant can use their trunk to get water to clean themselves? An elephant can use their trunk like hands? An elephant can pick up food with their trunk? Or an elephant's trunk is very useful? Let me remind you, if you look back at the first sentence, that will help you find the main topic. And the first sentence says, an elephant's trunk is a very useful body part. So, an elephant's trunk is very useful will be the main topic. Now it says choose all the sentences that are key details. I'm going to read this to you. First sentence, dogs are very smart and talented. They are smart enough to be trained to do tricks. For example, you can teach a dog how to sit or roll over. Dogs can also be trained to perform in shows. Some people have their dogs perform in events and contests. So the first sentence, dogs are very smart and talented, is not going to be a key detail because that's giving us the main idea. Okay? So let's see. We have sentence 4. It says, dogs can also be trained to perform in shows. Well, that is a key detail because it's telling us a way that they are talented. They're going to perform in shows. So that gives us a detail. Let's look at sentence 2. They are smart enough to be trained to do tricks. Well, that gives us a detail on how they are very smart. So that's a key detail. And sentence 5 says some people have their dogs perform in events or contests. Well, that gives us another key detail on how they are talented because they're going to be performing in contests. Okay, so now let's look at the main topic. It says true or false. Sentence 1 is the main topic. Dogs are very smart and talented. Do you think that's the main topic? It is. So that is true. Sentence 1 is the main topic. Okay, true or false? It can be helpful to find the key details first, then to figure out the main topic. That is true. It is very helpful if you look for the key details first, then that's going to help you figure out what the main idea or the main topic of the passage is. And remember, a passage is the story. Okay, true or false? Last question. You can look for similarities, and remember, similarities are things that they have in common, between the key details to help you determine the main topic. So what this means is, can you look at the details and see what they have in common to find out the main idea? Yes, you can. So that is true. Okay, guys, so think about what we learned. It says, I can identify the main topic and retell the key details of a nonfiction text. Why is it important to be able to identify the main topic? What do you all think? And why do you think it's important to be able to retell key details? Well, identifying the main topic and retelling key details are important skills that help us better understand the text we read and remember the information they teach us. So, by knowing these key details and the main topic, we're learning what the text says. We're understanding what the stories are telling us. All right, guys, we're going to do a little bit of matching together, okay? So, let's look at the first question. What is a main topic? What is a main topic, guys? Okay, think about this. What are key details? What are some strategies that you can determine the main topic? Where can you find key details? Okay, let's start with this one, the main topic. The main topic is what the text is mostly about. Key details are the important pieces of information in the text. Strategies you can use to figure out what the main topic is would be to look at the title, the pictures, first and last sentences, and look for repeated words in the text. And you can find these key details in the text or in the pictures. Let's look at one more thing, guys. So we are going to choral read this story, and we're going to figure out what the main topic is. Ready, my turn. Policemen help out in the community. Your turn. Policemen help out in the community. My turn. The police are important members of the community. Your turn. The police are important members of the community. My turn. When there is danger in the neighborhood, policemen stop the danger. Your turn. When there is danger in the neighborhood, policemen stop the danger. That is a key detail. We need to underline it. It's telling us what the police officer does. They stop the danger. My turn. They are also helpful and will answer your questions if you ask them for help. Your turn. They are also helpful and will answer your questions if you ask them for help. That is a key detail. It's telling us something else police officers do. They will answer questions if you ask for help. My turn. If someone goes missing, the police will do their best to find that person. Your turn. If someone goes missing, the police will do their best to find that person. So that is also a key detail because that's telling us about if someone goes missing, the police are going to try to find them. So now let's think about that main idea. Remember, usually you can find the main idea in the first sentence. The police are important members of the community. So our main idea, our key details are telling us that they stop danger, they answer your questions, and they help find missing people. So our main idea here is going to be that police are important members of our community. And they're helpful community members.